Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you how to convert a video into a short video, long form video into short video. So for an example, I have a video, this is a video which here I got some testimonies. So I want to fetch this testimony and I want to convert this into a short or reel. So what I will do for this, I'm using a tool called VEED.io. So if you want to create a free account, you can go to dnaclub.in/VEED. That's my affiliate account. So you can go to this and you can actually start with a free trial. So so you can start with a free trial, which is ₹0, and just create a free account and just try it out. So as I already have my account here, I'm logging into my account now, and after login, I will click on create project. I can record a video also directly from here, and now I will just drag and drop this video. So you can see this video is now uploaded to VEED. It's being uploaded. So now I want to fetch a particular part of this video as a testimony. So what I will do, suppose this is the part of the video which I want to fetch as a testimony. So let's play this. From here, let's split the video, and now this is the video. So let's bring it on the beginning. Now this part of the video I have cut from the entire video. Now what I want to do, I want to convert this video into shorts or reel. So now what I will do, I will click on settings and then click on Instagram reel. Now you can see it has converted this video into this reel format, and from here I just want this part of the video to be displayed in the reel. So this way I can cut the remaining part like this. Now if I play the video like this, once this entire you have split the clip. Next step is to add the titles. Add the text. So I will click on text and click on this particular text. And then we can drag and drop like this. Like this I can drag and drop, and I can increase the size of the text like this. So further we can increase to 72, and let's bring it until the end of the video. Throughout the video I want this title to be displayed, and from here I can update the title. Now say for example I want to keep this, I want to write housewife building network marketing business 100% from home. So, and also I want to update the line spacing, increase the line spacing like this. So this is letter spacing, line spacing. So housewife building network marketing business 100% from home. Now next I need to add another title, another text. So I can just copy and paste and drag and drop like this. Here I want to write visit www.tm. This is my link of the webinar. Goal setup. So let's drag it here, and now I want to add the name of this person. So again I will copy and paste like this, and here I will write Mrs. Alka Thakur. Little smaller font, and I can change the color of this text as well like this. Now I want to add an element called the progress bar. I want to add a progress bar here. So I can add a progress bar like this, so person can understand the progress of this video. Like this. So it looks good, and total length is 53 seconds. It looks good. Now what next I will do, I will click on done, and to export a video we have some quality options here. So I can choose 4K or YouTube 4K or maybe HD. So let's select HD, and then I will click on export video. So now what it will do, it will take some time, and it is total 56 MB, and it will first render the video, and then I can click here, and then I can download this video to my hard disk, and then I can upload it on YouTube Shorts as a YouTube Shorts or maybe Instagram Reel. So this is so easy. Using VEED we can do it so fast. So I suggest you to also try VEED. You can go to dnaclub.in/VEED, try this tool, and I'm sure that you will love using this tool. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box below. And just see, this video is done, and now I will click here and I will download this into MP4 format. So now this video is being downloaded. Got it? So see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, you can put in the comment box below, and also check out the links in this video description. See you. Bye.